Building and running a government contracting business is like launching a rocket ship. The foundation requires the right combination of people, processes, and tools working together. It demands successful innovation with insight and transparency, and a trusted ERP system capable of delivering unmatched project and financial management. Deltek delivers enhanced visibility that drives true business transformation and enables more informed decisions, efficiency, and profitability. Real-time performance measurement, purpose-built and battle-tested compliance, and valuable project and portfolio intelligence. These elements help build your GovCon accounting foundation and grow your business. Explore new opportunities and accelerate your success with sustainable and profitable growth. The journey begins now. Take your business to new places with NeoSystems and Deltek.